Welcome friends to Bio with Preetham. Today we will discuss a small and important topic, that is DNA replication. In every living organism, DNA replication is an important and essential biological process. The DNA replication takes place in every cells. It is a distinctive property of every cells. DNA replication is a process by which the parental DNA molecule gives rise to exactly similar sister DNA molecule. In our previous classes, we have discussed the semi-conservative replication process where the new helix composed of original DNA strand and a newly synthesized strand. At the replication fork, there are many replication enzymes which are responsible for the process of DNA replication. Now, the enzymes required for the DNA replication are: the first one is DNA helicase. The DNA helicase enzymes separates the two DNA strands at the point of replication. DNA polymerase. These enzymes are responsible for the catalyzing and addition of nucleotides. DNA clamp. It is a protein which prevents elongating DNA polymerase from dissociating from the DNA parental strand. SSP protein. The SSP protein are also known as single strand binding proteins, which maintain the strand separation. Topoisomerase. These topoisomerase relax the DNA from supercoiling nature. DNA gyrase. DNA gyrase relieves strain of unwinding. DNA ligase. DNA ligase joins the Okazaki fragment of lagging strand. Primase. It provides a starting point of RNA for the DNA polymerase of replication. Machinery. The mechanism of DNA replication in prokaryotic cell takes place in a bidirectional way, where the replication is the single replicating unit cell is known as replicon, and each replicon has a origin site, that is ori site, and a terminating site known as terminus site. In the presence of energy phosphorylase like DAMP, DGMP, DCMP, TTMP, these compounds are converted to active triphosphate forms like DATP, DGTP, DCTP and DTTP. The first enzyme, that is enzyme helicase, comes at the replication point, that is ori site, which separates the two strands at that site by dissolving the H bonds, resulting in a bubble-like shape. The separated strands are stabilized by the SSP protein, that is single strand binding protein. Later, the topoisomerase and DNA gyrase enzyme comes for the reducing the coiling tension. This is the structure where the DNA helicase enzymes separates the DNA strand, and simultaneously single-stranded binding protein stabilizes single strand. RNA primase enzyme recognizes the ori site and helps for the DNA polymerase enzyme for addition of nucleotide. The unzipping of two strands, that is Y-shaped configuration, is known as replication fork. The new synthesized DNA is in the direction of 5' to 3'. DNA polymerase 3 continuously synthesizes new strand in the 5' to 3' direction. This strand is known as leading strand, where on other hand the another strand, that is lagging strand, which has a short segment known as Okazaki fragments. The RNA primase are removed and the gaps are filled by DNA nucleotide by the enzyme known as DNA polymerase 1. DNA ligase enzymes at last joins and seals the Okazaki fragment to form a continuous strand. The proofreading and DNA repair is done by the enzyme known as DNA polymerase 1 and 2. Recoiling into double helix form two newly synthesized DNA molecules. Thank you.